6RCB2 care for patient safety.
We at 5th RCB1 care for patient safety.
We at DPPS prioritize patient safety above all.
And here at 5RCB2,
We care together!
We at 5th LCB2 are teaming up for patient safety.
We care together.
I care.
You care.
We care together at Team LCB1!
Here in Ward 12,
We are all patients experience. We care together.
Here at the Patient Experience Unit, we believe that every safe patient experience starts with accountability and compassion.
Safety is not just a priority, it is our commitment.
guiding every action we take to ensure dignity, high-quality care, and positive patient experience.
Together, we create a culture where safety, dignity, and patient experience comes first.